Chilling warning tonight from the White House about a so-called zombie drug, adding a new ingredient to the already deadly dangers of fentanyl. The DEA says fentanyl mixed with an animal tranquilizer has been found in 48 states.
CBS 13's Julie Watts is getting answers on what's being done to control the drug in California.
It's a flesh-eating drug called Xylazine, also known as Tranq, because it's officially a horse tranquilizer. Last year, nearly a quarter of fentanyl powder seized by the DEA contained Xylazine, but it's still not listed as a controlled substance here in California.
This is fentanyl with Tranq.
Well, fentanyl's been the focus for the last several years. An animal tranquilizer called Xylazine is showing up in street drugs. Experts say it may make the fentanyl high last longer, delaying withdrawal. But Xylazine and fentanyl combined are described as the deadliest drug in the United States, causing human tissue to rot, leading to amputations and death.
It's a deadly, skin-rotting zombie drug that evil drug dealers are now mixing with fentanyl, with heroin, and with other drugs.
And Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer warned Xylazine could make fentanyl look tame.
Because it doesn't respond to Narcan.
Xylazine is not an opioid, so it doesn't respond to the opioid reversal drug. And the DEA has seized fentanyl mixed with Xylazine in all but 2 states. However, despite the dangers, Xylazine is not a controlled substance under the Federal Controlled Substances Act, and it's not classified as a controlled substance in California. The Department of Public Health here says Xylazine is still a new and emerging issue in California, and that there's no evidence to suggest Xylazine is common in California's drug supply. But an LA Times investigation revealed last month it began infiltrating the local drug supply at least 4 years ago, and San Francisco authorities issued a warning in February after finding the drug in people who OD'd. It is a Schedule I drug in Florida, meaning it's illegal to possess or sell, and it's a Schedule III drug in states like Pennsylvania and Ohio, meaning vets can use it to sedate animals, but there are restrictions on how it's tracked and stored. But here in California, local law enforcement report they haven't really been tracking or even testing for Xylazine here because it's still not classified as a controlled substance in California.
The DEA designated Xylazine as an emerging threat this month, with deaths linked to the drug jumping from 800 in 2020 to 3,000 in 2021. There is now a push to classify Xylazine as a federal controlled substance.